Another rainy day in Washington Heights, baby. New York City. Nice and quiet night. Good for some sleep. Cause usually Washington Heights be loud, baby. But tonight, we gonna get some good sleep. There go St. Nick right up that way. But tonight, we'll get some good sleep. Yeah. All men outside. Somebody up the block right there. But we'll definitely get some good sleep. Definitely get some good sleep tonight, huh? Oh yeah. Here we go. 189 Wadsworth and St. Nicholas. Chilly out here tonight. Beautiful night tonight. Definitely got some good sleep. Yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. SELT, sell. I'm gonna bring you some more content and exclusive joints. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned into the channel. And I'll definitely bring you guys some more content. Alright, my people. Take it easy. Enjoy your night. Have a blessed one. Stay safe. And God bless. You already know it's your boy Sell. Giving you another one. Peace, love, and happiness, y'all.